Hi guys, so today's question is what is the ideal age of a used car to consider buying it? We all know that buying a used car is a great opportunity to save some money. However, we also know that it could get you into really serious troubles. Let's start with the fact that secondary market recently has changed a lot. And if, for example, 5-10 years ago, if you are choosing a car that is 3 years old, you can save up to 50% buying it. And now the demand for 3 years old cars are extremely high compared to the supply, of course, because in 2020 and 2021 we had a limited number of cars produced. So today the discount for 3 years old car would be approximately 25-30% from the price of the new car if we talk about really popular models. And of course it doesn't seem to be a great deal. So what we need to understand when a car is getting worn out and when it starts to bring you some troubles and some issues. And if we talk about general advice, age is much more important than the mileage. The thing is that the mileage varies a lot from region to region. For example, if we compare cars from Japan and from Germany, the same condition of the car would be approximately at 60,000 kilometers in Japan and 200,000 in Germany. And that's true, you can find a 200,000 kilometers car in Germany that would be almost in ideal condition. There would be no issues, no technical problems. Even the interior would be as it was from the factory. By the way guys, if you enjoy this video, please don't forget to press the like button and subscribe for more about cars and money. And as for the age, it is much easier to find the general rule. And once again, per my experience, most cars are quite okay until the age of 7 years, if they were well taken care of. However, 7 years old car is not the right answer to the question how old should be the car. I believe that you are going to use a car for some time, and if we take 2 years as the average duration of using the second-hand car, then you should consider first of all the cars of the age of about 5 years. So buying a 5 years old car now, you would get an almost modern car. It wouldn't be the last generation, but it would be the previous one. And you would get an option to get all features, all modern features that you would like. All main depreciation of price of this car already happened. Usually you would get it for approximately 50% price of a new car, and that seems already a great deal. And it is not so hard to find a 5 years old car in almost new condition. I mean, it wouldn't be worn out, it would have a great interior quality, and also no problems at all. And for several years you wouldn't have any problems also. However, the most important thing is how to choose this car, and what is the most important when you consider buying a 5 years old car. First of all, of course, it's an accident history, because body condition is, I would say, the most important thing in the car. It is almost impossible to repair the car after serious accident to original condition, and it's all about your safety. The second thing, check very carefully the maintenance history of the car, because it is true that some owners don't care at all about maintenance, and the car, even the engine oil, could be not changed for 30 or 50,000 kilometers. It's true, it could be. Also, I would try always to find out the real reason to sell of the car. For example, the good reason to sell is upgrading to the next model, and especially for the same car. For example, when I bought my 2010 Range Rover, I saw the owner already bought a 2017 model of the Range Rover. And of course, after all these things, make a proper pre-purchase inspection. Today's cars are very complicated. So it's very important to check all electronics, engine condition and all that stuff. In future videos I would tell you more about how to find a good car on the market. So subscribe and please comment below about your experience of buying a used car, about its age and what problems you faced. Thank you and see you soon.